Mama Home Hacks. Hi guys, it's me, Licia V, feeling festive. Today I went on a, wait for it, a Christmas decor shopping haul. Check it out. This house is home to a big family. And so that means that there always seems to be something that can be done. There's laundry to be done, cooking, cleaning, children to be tended to, and a husband who needs, well, you get the picture. As you guys can see, I still have my fall decor out, and I love this fall decor. It turned out so nice. So it's kind of hard to put it away, but I am seriously ready for Christmas. I'm gonna clean the porch before I decorate it. I like to have a nice clean canvas to work on. A lot of times when I'm shopping, I'm doing it on a minimalist budget. I'm trying to spend as little money as possible. And so by using what I have and storing it appropriately, I can save money. Okay, so when I'm cleaning the bathroom, I have a couple of goals. I want the bathroom to look good, I want the bathroom to smell good, but most importantly, I want it sanitized. And I have to do all of this in a way that is time efficient because let's get real, I mean, we're busy people. Okay, so next on my to clean list is this shower. I'm actually giving you guys exclusive access. This is my shower that my husband and I designed. We picked out all of the tile, the shower seat right there, we designed it, and we even put these little double-headed things there. I absolutely love this shower. So, are you guys interested in knowing what I came up with to clean this shower? Let me show you. Swimming shoes! I'm going to polish the vanity since I've cleaned it off. So when we were designing the shower, we went back and forth on whether or not we wanted to put a door on it. Now that I have to clean the shower, I am so happy that we did not put the door on it because that's one less thing to clean. And I find that I love how when I'm taking a shower, I don't get really hot and almost suffocated with the door being closed and all of the steam in the shower because I really love a hot shower. To my surprise, when we bought this house, the house came with brown cabinets that were super dated. And so to update them, guess what I did? I ended up painting them white. So here's something that I've learned to help to keep those white cabinets clean. It's really amazing, but that mild dish soap with the water works really well in getting the scum off of the cabinets, and it's actually making this white cabinet look white. There is a mistake that I made. When I purchased these appliances, I did not get the appliances that were fingerprint resistant. Now that I have wiped down the cabinets and given them a good scrub, I am going to wipe it down, this time with some oil to polish it. Now here is the fun part. I'm going to just use oil that I have here in the house. I'm not buying a special product or anything like that. I'm going to use olive oil today, but if I had baby oil, I could use that as well. First up is this floral centerpiece that I made. This is probably the world's easiest Dollar Tree DIY. This first costume is the most inexpensive of the costumes I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And literally all I purchased for it was, ta-da, these little cat ears. This is a new broom from the Dollar Tree, so I'm not worried about it messing up the white paint. I thought these pillows would be a nice touch. Let's decorate for Christmas 2019. I'm going to begin by spreading out this table runner. I'm going to place these wreaths here. I found these beautiful pillows at Walmart. What a beautiful farmhouse touch. Okay, love, here is another that I'm sure will be a Christmas season favorite. I just really like this. I think I must have been in the Christmas spirit when I was in the store because I picked up a lot of black and grays and reds, but I really like this one. If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get other Mama Home hacks when they come out. Thanks for shopping with me. Let's shop together soon.